On May 1st, 2026, a construction crew placed the final steel beam on top of a 42-story guitar in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip. It is the tallest, weirdest, most expensive bet on the future of Vegas in a generation, and it is replacing one of the most successful casinos in the city's history. This is how the new Hard Rock Hotel and Casino will reshape the Vegas Strip: the good, the bad, and the ugly. The Mirage opened November 22, 1989. Steve Wynn built it for $630 million, which at the time was the most expensive casino ever constructed. It set the template for modern Vegas. Themed resort, free street attraction, big-name entertainment that earned money outside the casino floor. For 34 years, the Mirage defined Strip-style Vegas. Siegfried and Roy ran their White Tiger show here. The dolphin habitat became one of the property's signature free attractions. The Beatles LOVE by Cirque du Soleil ran for years before closing in early July 2024. And the volcano erupted on the hour, free, every night for the entire run. 34 years later, in December 2022, Hard Rock International bought the Mirage's operations from MGM Resorts for $1.075 billion. Vici Properties owns the land. Hard Rock leases it back for $90 million a year. Quick clarifier: if Hard Rock in Vegas sounds familiar, there is a reason. The original Hard Rock Hotel and Casino opened off-strip on Paradise Road on March 10, 1995. It was the first rock and roll-themed hotel in the world. That property is now Virgin Hotels Las Vegas. It has been since 2021. Hard Rock International never operated the original. They only licensed the name. The new Strip Resort is the first time HRI itself has run a Vegas casino. On July 17, 2024, the Mirage closed for good. More than 3,000 employees were laid off. Hard Rock paid out roughly $80 million in severance. The day after closure, demolition began. By early 2026, the volcano was gone. The dolphin habitat was gone. The secret garden was gone. The glass atrium, the porte cochere, the tropical pool complex, all of it gone. What is going up in its place is officially called the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Las Vegas. The 42-story guitar-shaped tower out front is the Guitar Hotel Las Vegas. The tower will stand more than 660 feet tall. Hard Rock chairman Jim Allen said at a gaming conference in April that it will come in just shy of 700 feet when it is complete. The original proposal was a 998-foot tower. Clark County rejected that one. What got approved is shorter than Fontainebleau's 729 feet, but tall enough to overshadow Wynn, Palazzo, and Resorts World. Hard Rock has built a guitar-shaped hotel tower before. The 450-foot Guitar Hotel at Seminole Hard Rock Hollywood in Florida. The Las Vegas version will be over 200 feet taller. Same architectural family, different scale entirely. The tower itself will hold 675 all-suite rooms. The hotel floors do not start until floor 9. The whole guitar sits on top of an 8-story podium that holds the lobby, restaurants, and retail. Add in the renovated Mirage Tower behind it, completely gutted, reclad in matching blue glass, and the property opens with roughly 3,700 hotel rooms total. The casino floor goes from 94,000 square feet to 174,000 square feet, nearly double the gaming space. Slot count more than doubles, from 836 at the old Mirage to 2,000 at Hard Rock. Table games jump from 51 to 212. Add 2 spas, multiple pools, including a new Infinity Edge rooftop deck above the strip-facing casino, more than 200,000 square feet of meeting space, and a Hard Rock-branded live entertainment venue. Total estimated cost? $4 to $5 billion. Start with the good, because there is real good here. First, the practical win for travelers. The free tram between Treasure Island and the Hard Rock site is coming back. It has been closed since mid-2024. Once Hard Rock opens, the 1,000-foot, 90-second ride between the two properties resumes, still free. Second, the property goes from one of the older floor plans on the strip to one of the most modern. Bigger casino, cleaner sightlines, larger standard rooms, an entirely new pool complex, and an expanded convention block aimed at the year-round business traveler. Third, the jobs. Hard Rock Las Vegas president Joe Lupo says the property is on track to employ up to 6,000 people once it is open. At peak construction in 2026, 1,500 to 1,800 workers were on site every day. Fourth, and this matters whether you love the building or hate it, the Strip skyline gets a new landmark. Jim Allen called the site the Strip's 50-yard line. Whatever you think of guitar-shaped buildings, this one is going to be visible from everywhere. Now the bad. What we lost is real. The Volcano Show, free on the hour for 34 years, is gone. The Secret Garden and Dolphin Habitat closed with the Mirage and are not coming back. The Beatles LOVE show by Cirque du Soleil ended in early July 2024. The Strip frontage is going to feel different. For decades, the Mirage's lagoons, palm trees, and volcano were a free attraction in the middle of the Strip. The replacement is a small 48,000 square foot casino with about 200 slots and a dozen table games, fronting Las Vegas Boulevard, with the guitar tower rising behind it. 3,000 jobs walked out the door in July 2024. Union members, covered by Culinary Local 226 and Bartenders Local 165, got $2,000 per year of service, 6 months of pension and health benefits, and 36 months of recall rights to come back when Hard Rock opens. Non-union workers, the smaller group, generally got less. Hard Rock did try to soften the landing. They turned the old Mirage buffet into a resource center for displaced workers and ran job fairs with other Strip properties, Caesars, MGM, even other Hard Rock locations in Florida, Virginia, and the Midwest. Mirage chips were still redeemable at Treasure Island for 120 days after closure. Printed slot vouchers can still be mailed in through their expiration dates. The wind down was not chaotic. It was managed. And the opening keeps slipping. Original target was spring 2027. Then May 2027. Now the fourth quarter of 2027, with Allen openly hinting at early 2028 if things do not break right. For anyone who booked the front of 2027 expecting a brand new Strip resort, that is a problem. Now the ugly. The reception has been mixed. Longtime Vegas regulars on Reddit and X have called the project a corporate brand experiment with a guitar bolted on. The Nevada Independent literally headlined a March 2026 article with the question, eyesore or game changer? The tower is already visible from both ends of the Strip, and it is not even finished. That is the point and the problem. Hard Rock wants visibility. Their neighbors are scrambling to stay visible too. Caesars Entertainment, which owns the corner across from Hard Rock, has been installing massive LED signs in response. Horseshoe Las Vegas got a 17,000 square foot, 180-foot pylon back in 2023. Caesars Palace is getting a 210-foot LED spectacular launching this summer 2026. Over 18,000 square feet, the largest digital sign on Las Vegas Boulevard when it goes live. This is what industry observers are now calling the Las Vegas sign war. It was set off by a building, not a sign. Every operator on Center Strip is now spending money so they do not get visually swallowed by the Guitar Hotel. And the price tag is enormous. $4 to $5 billion. About 60% financed by Hard Rock equity, 30% by outside financing. The remaining 10%, Jim Allen has not publicly disclosed. Here is the realistic take. The Hard Rock will be one of the biggest, most modern resorts on the Strip when it opens, sometime in late 2027, possibly 2028. It will be tall. It will be loud. It will be hard to miss. It will also have replaced something a lot of people loved, on a Strip that is getting more corporate and more expensive every year. If you are planning a Vegas trip before the back half of 2027, this is not a property you are staying at. If you are planning a trip after that, decide whether you want to be in the middle of the brand new mega resort or somewhere quieter and cheaper further down the strip. Either way, the strip you knew in 2024 is not the strip that is going to greet you in 2028. The guitar is going up, the volcano is gone, and the next era of Vegas is being built right now in the middle of Las Vegas Boulevard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.